In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Calendly settings. We'll walk through the key areas that shape how your booking pages look, how your brand shows up, and how your account communicates and stays secure, so your scheduling feels polished and professional from the start. Begin by opening your Calendly account in a browser. In the top right, click the profile icon, then choose All Settings. This central hub is where you'll fine-tune everything we'll cover today. Head into Profile. This page controls what invitees see when they land on your scheduling pages. Click Upload Picture and pick a clear, friendly headshot from your computer, then click Open. Portrait photos with good lighting work best. If cropping is offered, keep your face centered so it displays well across devices. Next, set your display name exactly as you want it to appear. Small details like capitalization can make a big difference in first impressions. Add a concise welcome message that tells visitors they're in the right place and sets expectations. A short sentence about the purpose of the meeting or how to prepare is enough. If additional profile fields appear for you, complete only what's relevant to your audience. Move to branding. Here you'll see where your logo appears on booking pages. Confirm it looks sharp and on brand. If your plan allows updates, use a high-resolution, square image and check that it has good contrast against your page background for accessibility. Open My Link to review your public scheduling URL. Aim for something short, readable, and aligned with your brand. Keeping it consistent across email signatures and social profiles makes it easier for people to book without back and forth. Go to Communication Settings to review confirmations and reminders. Make sure the tone matches your brand and that timing works for your attendees. Clear, timely messages reduce no-shows and avoid confusion around time zones and rescheduling. Next, visit Login Preferences to confirm how you access your account. Choose the sign-in option that's most convenient for you while still fitting your organization's policies. In security, review protections such as two-factor authentication and session settings. Enabling strong security helps safeguard your availability, meeting links, and attendee data. Finally, open cookie settings. Choose how tracking and consent are handled on your booking pages so you stay aligned with privacy expectations and regional requirements. That's it. Most changes save automatically, but if you see a save button, click it before leaving a page. With these settings tuned, your Calendly now reflects your brand, communicates clearly, and protects your account.